Okay, let's go ahead and open up Adobe Premiere Pro. I've got a blank project set up right here. We're going to go to Windows, Workspace and all panels. Make sure you select all panels and you should see the layout exactly like this. I'm going to drag and drop this video clip onto the timeline. I'll put a link to this same video clip inside the YouTube description, and we're going to go to the project panel here, right click, go to new item and select adjustment layer. We're going to leave the default settings as they are and click OK, and drag the adjustment layer above the video clip and then stretch it so that it matches the same width as the video clip below. Let's click on the adjustment layer, and then we're going to go to the effects panel here. So just click to expand it and type in crop, C-R-O-P, and we're going to take the crop tool and drag that onto the adjustment layer here. Now you'll see the settings in here. If you don't see them for any reason, go to Window and make sure you select Effects Controls here, Effects Controls. Inside the effects controls, we want to add a keyframe for the top and a keyframe for the bottom, and then we're going to grab the timeline and drag it across, and we're going to add a keyframe here and here as well by selecting these options here. So we have keyframes at the beginning and at the end. Let's click the little arrow just here. We'll left click it once and that will take us to the beginning of the keyframe, and we're going to click on the top here and set it to 50%, and we're going to go to the bottom one and set that one to 50 as well. Let's select all of the keyframes with our mouse. So hold down the left mouse button, highlight over all of the keyframes, they're all selected, right click on one of them and go to auto bezier. That will just smooth out the transition, and now you can go to the timeline, hit the space bar, and you can see your black bar transition looking like this. This is a nice little sort of cinematic effect, and then you could add your title across the top and that might make a nice little clip for your video content, right? Just like this. You can reverse this logic, so you could have it fading out towards the end of your video content just by reversing the logic on the keyframes and adding the 50% at the end and leaving these ones here set to 0. Let's go ahead and minimize this. That's the end of this tutorial. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to subscribe for free access to lots more Adobe Premiere Pro related tutorials.